Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Satvik food. Satvik, meaning pure or essence of life, is a dietary philosophy rooted in ancient traditions. It focuses on foods that are light, fresh, and easy to digest, promoting mental clarity and physical vitality. We'll explore how to select ingredients and prepare meals that nourish both body and mind, fostering a sense of peace and contentment with every bite. When cooking Satvik, ingredient selection is key. Prioritize fresh, organic produce like leafy greens, root vegetables, and sweet fruits. Whole grains such as brown rice and quinoa, along with lentils and beans, form the foundation. For flavor, use gentle spices like ginger, turmeric, and a pinch of rock salt. Dairy products like milk and yogurt, consumed in moderation, are also considered Satvik. The way you prepare Satvik food is just as important as the ingredients themselves. Gentle cooking methods are preferred to retain the natural goodness and prana, or life force, of the food. Think steaming vegetables, light sautéing with a small amount of ghee, or baking. Avoid overcooking or reheating food multiple times. Preparing your meal with a peaceful and loving intention truly enhances its Satvik qualities. Embracing a Satvik diet offers numerous benefits. Many people report increased energy levels, improved digestion, and a greater sense of calm and mental clarity. This way of eating helps to purify the body and mind, fostering a deeper connection to oneself. Remember to eat slowly, savor each bite, and be grateful for the nourishment. It's a holistic approach to well-being, not just a diet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.